Kejriwal versus Tihar jail fight over Chief Minister's diet has taken a spicy twist. Delhi Rao's Avenue Court yesterday rejected two petitions moved by Arvind Kejriwal. First, seeking direction to Tihar jail officials to administer insulin, and second, to allow him to consult doctor through video conferencing daily for 15 minutes concerning his acute diabetes and fluctuating blood sugar level. While hearing the matter, the Delhi court slammed Kejriwal and pulled up Tihar jail over Chief Minister's sugar claims. Disposing of the plea, the court said food items provided to Arvind Kejriwal in the home-cooked food are quite different from the diet prescribed by his own doctor. The court said diet chart had no mention of arbi or mangoes. Instead, he was prescribed to consume mushrooms by the doctors. The court observed that the jail authorities have offered no explanation as to why the food items, which were not as per judicial order and Kejriwal's medical prescription, were allowed to be sent to him in the first place. Earlier in the day, Kejriwal penned a letter to Tihar jail authorities rejecting jail administration's claim that the issue of insulin was never raised by him in his consultation with the doctors. The Delhi Chief Minister accused Tihar jail superintendent of lying under political pressure and said the statements of Tihar administration are false and he has been asking for insulin on a daily basis. He further added that during the day, his sugar levels see a spike thrice and read anywhere between 250 to 320. Remember, this comes after the jail authorities said Kejriwal's blood sugar levels have not been alarming since he has been lodged in jail. They state that insulin is not required as of now and can be done as and when required. More importantly, the report submitted to Delhi LG states that the inmate stopped insulin a few months back, allegedly following the advice of a certain Telangana doctor. It states that Kejriwal has not furnished any document to prove his alleged history of insulin intake and was also not advised insulin as per the RML hospital report. The Tihar report categorically asserts that it's incorrect to state Kejriwal was denied insulin at any point, and yet it may be provided as and when required and advised by a specialist.
Latest controversy, I'm coming straight to the point. Questions have been raised that you are not taking proper care of the Delhi Chief Minister, who is also an inmate here. What do you have to say about that?
About him, we have already filed what action we have taken before the court, and the court is considering it. So I would refrain from making a comment about that person concerned. I have to set systems in order, which is same for everyone. And this is...
There's no discrimination, no special privilege which is being given to you.
Only, let's say, suppose someone is not able to get up.
Meanwhile, the bitter war of words over Kejriwal's sugar level is exploding, with AAP and BJP exchanging attacks. Aam Aadmi Party alleged a conspiracy to kill Kejriwal as he was denied access to insulin for his type 2 diabetes. BJP hits back saying Kejriwal is doing drama to gain sympathy.
देश में तो क्या, दुनिया में आपको कोई ऐसा डॉक्टर नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको कह देगा कि 300 के ऊपर का शुगर लेवल बिना इंसुलिन के इंजेक्शन से कंट्रोल हो सकता है। लेकिन कोर्ट को गुमराह करने की साजिश की जाती है, कोर्ट को एम्स के डॉक्टर्स का हवाला दिया जाता है, लेकिन कोई कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुई, कोई डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट का डाइट चार्ट नहीं आया, कोई डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं आया, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहती है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को इंसुलिन की जरूरत नहीं।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी घोटालेबाज हैं। उनका मकसद पॉलिसी में भी घोटाला करना था, शराब में भी घोटाला करना था, और अपनी अब सेहत में भी, शुगर लेवल में भी घोटाला करना है, ताकि वो जेल से बाहर आ सकें। दिल्ली के लोगों को सच समझ में आ गया, अरविंद केजरीवाल बहुत बड़े घोटालेबाज हैं।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.